Alright guys, I have a very special day today. Finally, I got my long wanting equipment. It's from the Acelab the data recovery equipment, PC-3000 portable. Alright, so it just arrived today from the DHL. That was very quick. Um, that was the package. Actually, they probably opened it on the custom duty. They contacted me. The custom duty required additional payment, which was not really expensive, like a $55 or so. But this is, I also purchased a case with it, hard case, and it was the recommendation from the one of the representative. They helped me out, and I had a little bit problem with the wire transaction, because my bank made a mistake. They did not put the beneficiary name there, and it took like it's supposed to be here by Christmas, but it did not work. That when I came back, I was on vacation, and I came back, and the transaction money was back on my account. So I found out they forgot the beneficiary's name on it, so I rewired it again, and they waived the money. I mean the wiring money from my bank, but their bank charged me $50 or something. So that's not a really big deal. But the real product is here. It came with a owner's manual. I will go through this stuff. I'm very eager to dive in, and here is the moment I'm gonna be opening this case. It came with a the box case with it, but the product was not in here. It was in here. I'm not sure if they originally put it in here, or the custom border they took it out from here to here, but it does not matter. Everything came with it, whatever I had ordered. So this is the portable. Okay, so this came with the software. That's what it looks like, and it came with this is Christmas card. That's sweet. Thank you guys. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you as well. But it's been passed. It's 17 today, but it does not matter. And came another the SD, how to work with the SSD cards, the manual again. That's another project for me to go through. Well, it's about it's a brochure. um, Basically they do have a PDF version on their website. So basically there are this is the M.2, the external drive connector, and some cables here. Some of them I really don't know. Some adapters I probably will go through and find out what are they doing for, what are they used for. But anyway, here's another USB stick. Has a Acelab on it, the logo, and has a SD card reader here as well. I'm not sure what are those. So that's the power supply, and this is the actual product here. Okay, I have not turned this one on yet, but that's what it. You guys probably have seen that before, what it looks like. And I never used it. I don't know yet. It has a 2 ports power supply, and that 2 SATA cable. And here is the actually 3 connectors and one USB 3 connector. What else we have? Power, and this one probably will go to the PC. USB cable came with a blue cable over here. And this is yes, I'm very excited. I'm very excited because of the I got that. I wanted to have a portable version because I do the computer repairs on the East Coast. I live in New Jersey, and every time I would get the clients that they wanted PC repair, the data recovery, I would always outsource that. I mean, I would send it to the different person, which I never did any affiliation, and I was losing the clients, practically lots of clients. So I want to dive into this stuff and learn it. This is my field, and I was missing that part, and I'm filling up, and we'll be posting more videos. A lot of guys inspired me. One guy, I think he's from Canada. He's been using that. He's very smart Russian guy, I believe. The Dima, I'm not exactly sure, but I've been watching him. And there is another guy. He's from Northridge, California. He's very good also, but he doesn't have the Acelab products. But this guy from Canada, he does, and he inspired me actually, and I've been watching him for many years. And yeah, that's what I'm up to right now, and we'll be posting more videos. I will be accepting the data recovery jobs more frequently whenever I get it, and we'll be posting more videos as well. And I just want to thank you for all the stuff in Acelab. They helped me out. They reminded me I've been trying to get that last 3 years or so, and I didn't have enough money. So now I collected all of the savings I had, and I put it into this, expand my business. So all right, guys, thank you for watching, and wish me the good luck. Thank you.